Okay, so where we were, John? Again, these are all the basic shapes. What are these?
Only basic shape.
Yes, what is this shape?
Um, circle.
Circle, yes. And what is this?
Square.
Square, yes. And this?
Triangle.
Perfect. And this? Do you know this?
No.
This is a rectangle.
Rectangle.
Yes. Now you tell me all these. Again here. What is this?
Pizza.
No, shape. You only have to focus the shape.
Oh, triangle.
Perfect. And what is this shape?
Circle.
And what is this shape?
Square.
And what is this shape? I just told you. Hmm? A rectangle.
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 Perfect. And these are the numbers.
Wow, they're all a number.
Yes, let me see if you know. How many planes are these?
One.
And how many strawberries are these?
It's not a strawberry. We call it a berry.
Berry. Okay, how many berries are these?
Cherries is now berry. Oh, we forgot to write here.
Yeah, where is your pencil?
Oh, we need the colors.
Where's your pencil?
Just the colors here.
Okay.
We need the color to find the pencil.
Yes, okay. Oh, there. I found one. Yes, there it is.
Wow, what a beautiful pencil.
It's your pencil. You didn't even know that? You had such a beautiful pencil?
Oh,
Oh, you silly girl.
hi, silly girls.
Yeah, you are. Okay, one. What is this? Two? No, John, this is not. Are these two? You count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, six. And you wrote here two. How could you do that?
Sorry, Baba.
Yeah, you silly girl.
That is the two. This is the two, Baba.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot.
It's okay. Now I will remove it and you write here
Wow.
6. Yeah.
Wow,
Okay.
6 are now.
Then can you go a little behind so we can make a table of the pillows? Okay, you get back.
Okay, I get back.
Yeah. Okay. Come on.
Oh, in front of you up here.
Come here. Come on, John.
Oh, I do Baba, I don't know. I could know just now. I don't know. You.
Come on.
Oh, Baba, I want to sit in pillow chair. Let's make a pillow chair again. No, I want a pillow chair.
Yeah, okay. You put it there and you sit on it. Yeah, that's perfect.
I write 6 then.
Yes, and you write yeah, you how many ice creams are these?
That is not ice cream. We call it cakes.
Cakes? Okay, I'm sorry. How many cakes are these?
2, 3.
3. Yeah, you write 3 there. Perfect. Great. Okay. Now you tell me how many. What is this? A pear?
Pear, yeah, you know that.
Yeah, I know that.
Yellow pear.
Yes. How many? How many are these?
2 pear.
Yeah, you write 2 here.
Okay, I'll write 2 here.
Great. Okay. Now let me see. How many footballs are these?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Can you write 4 in this box?
Yeah, I will write 4.
Okay. Let me see.
This is called a batteries.
Yeah, batteries. Okay. First you write 4 here.
Okay, what? Oh, this is so bigger.
It's okay. You want me to erase it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But this is all small.
Yeah.
You know that?
What I know. Yeah. This looks like the ears of a bunny. Your pony looks like the ears of a bunny. You know that?
Oh,
Okay. You wrote 4? Perfect. Now let me see. How many apples are these?
one,
Count them.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7? Perfect. You write 7 here. Can you write a 7?
Yeah, I will write 7.
Perfect. Okay, great. Now you tell me how many fish are these?
What? Look, mouse.
Yeah, we will come to that later. How many fish are these?
Look like a mouse in the TV.
Yeah, ratatouille. That is actually ratatouille, the rat. Okay, coming back. How many fish are these, John?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect. Can you write 5?
Yeah, what? Fries?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like fries.
No, not fries. 5. Okay, you mean these fries? You don't like fries? Why not? Children love fries.
But the fries not for healthy.
Yeah, they are not healthy. That's right. So you don't eat unhealthy things?
Yeah.
You only eat healthy things? For
I,
example, what?
this is not healthy. This is bad food.
Yeah, this is a bad food, but you like only good food?
Mm-hmm.
So what is good food? Can you tell me?
Apple and GABA.
Huh?
Mm,
And
Roti.
okay.
It's healthy.
And more?
Enough.
Tell me two more things.
No, enough. I say.
No, only two more things.
No,
Please,
no,
please,
no.
please, 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 please. Tell me two more healthy things, okay? Can you?
Banana.
Okay, yes. One more to go.
Chocolate not healthy.
Yeah, you only have to tell me healthy thing.
Burger's not healthy.
Yeah, burgers also not healthy. What about chicken?
Oh, homemade burger is healthy.
Yeah, homemade burger is perfect. Great. You told me all the 5 things. Healthy food. Great. Okay, coming back. So 5 fish. You write 5 here. Can you write a 5? The number 5?
Cheater, Bob, I don't have a hat.
Okay, I will buy you a hat. You want to buy a hat? Yeah, that no problem. I can buy you a hat, John.
And I don't have a hat. I have one cap.
You have one cap, but you also want to buy a hat? No problem. When we go to the market, we will buy a hat.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, that's great. Come on. You write 5 here. You always trick me into the talk. Michelle, come on, you don't do the work.
Sorry, Baba.
It's okay. No.
Sorry.
That's that it looks like a 2. You have to write the 5. I told you in the morning, John. I told you in the morning how to write a 5. Let me show you. This is 5. This is look. This is 5. Okay.
Oh, I know I did this.
Yeah. Now you write it.
Five.
Yeah, you write it now.
Read it off. No, don't read all. I do like this.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you wanted me to erase it. I'm sorry. Okay, you can write it again. Yeah, Lish. Nobody talks to you. Baba doesn't talk to you. Baba is so bad. Baba is so bad. But when you grow up, Baba will teach you also. You see, right from the sounds to the letters to the words and the phrases and the sentences. Okay? Okay?
What? Ow.
Okay, now fine. Yeah.
Okay.
You still couldn't write the number 5?
But it's the wrong way. Okay, let's make a dot.
Let's make dots. Okay.
Ready and ready,
Yeah.
go.
I'll make the dots. This is so simple. Come on. There. Have you written it? Perfect. Okay, next. You tell me how many ratatouilles are these? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
12. 12. Okay, 12. Now you have to write 12. Do you know how to write a 12?
Okay.
Yeah, 1 and then 2. Come on.
Okay, show me to 12.
No, I'm telling you, write 1 and then right beside 1, you write 2. It will be 12. Got it?
Oh.
Yeah, you write first 1.
Mm.
Yes, okay. And what are you making? Baby, what is it? You write 1. Can you write 1?
Yeah.
Here, in the center. Okay, enough. Yeah, okay. And now you write 2. Perfect. This is 12. You got it?
Got it.
Yeah, okay. Now let's see. How many sparrows are these? Come on.
Parrot. Okay.
Yeah, count them.
We call it Chiria and we call it parrot.
What?
We call it Chiria and we call it parrot.
Yes, chidiya in Urdu, and in English it's a sparrow.
Oh.
You got it?
And what is?
This is pineapple.
No.
Pineapple in English and ananas in Urdu.
No. It's not a pineapple. The pineapple is white and this pineapple is pink now.
Then what is this?
I don't know what it is. We see it.
Idino again?
Berry.
Idino. What is Idino? It's I don't know.
It doesn't sing.
You said Idino. I told you so many times. It's not Idino, John. It's I don't know. I don't
Mama,
know.
I don't know.
You say it again.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's the correct one.
And
But earlier you said Idino. Which is
Idino.
which? Yeah. See, this is incorrect. Now you say correct one.
I didn't know.
It's wrong.
I didn't know.
Wrong.
I don't know.
Perfect. That's correct one.
And now this is called a berry. See, this is berry.
This is a berry? Ah, I'm sorry. How stupid I am. I didn't know this is a berry and I call it a pineapple. Oh my god, how stupid of me. I'm sorry. Okay, come back. So how many are these? Sorry, we were here. How many sparrows? You count the sparrows?
Okay.
Yeah, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, okay, 8. Now you write 8 here.
Okay, circle.
Yeah. Can you write 8?
Yeah. Oh,
Perfect.
this is
Great.
bigger.
Yeah.
They're all bigger. They're all small. There's so many. They're all small. See, let's try again.
Let's try again. But it's okay. There is a difference of a little margin. We can ignore that. No problem.
Look, that is this.
No, it's not mathematics, John. It's not like you have to, be very choosy about the figures and the
Oh, I'm sorry.
patterns.
One
Okay,
button.
next. Yeah, next. What is this?
Maroon
No, what is this object? What is this thing?
flower.
Flower. No, it's a rose.
Rose.
Yeah, how many are these? How many roses are these? Can you count them?
We call maroon and red. We call a rose and we call maroon.
Yeah, how many roses are these? Count.
We call color maroon.
Yeah, how many roses are these? Count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Yeah, okay, write 7 here. Can you write 7?
I will write 7.
Yeah, it's easy. Perfect. Great. Okay, fries. How many fries are these? Count.
1 fries, 2 fries, 3 fries, 4 fries, 5 fries.
Now you can do this like this 5 and 5. 5 plus 5. How many are these?
5,
5 plus 5? 10.
10.
Yeah, you have to write 10 here.
And what did this come serve roll?
What?
Oh, mine, no, I can write this.
You had ID no again?
I don't know, Baba.
Why you say ID no in the first place?
Baba, I don't know.
No, but it's okay. I accept your I don't know. But why did you say ID no?
I don't know. In the fries.
Okay, there are 10 fries. Can you write 10? It will be 1 and 0. It will be 10. Come on, try. Come on. 1 and with 0. Great. 10.
Yeah.
This whole page is going to be completed with only 1 left.
And only one left also.
No, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 left here. But first, let's complete this page. Okay. How many hats are these?
2.
2. Write 2 here and it's complete. Oh my god. And then we can show mama. Great. Come on. Write 2 here.
What are you doing?
What? What's Ali? Ali, what's the matter with you? Hmm? What's the matter with you? Why are you crying? Why are you doing coughing? Don't you show us your tongue. Okay? You naughty, naughty little girl. You naughty little girl. You naughty, naughty baby. Okay, John, come back. You write 2 here and this page is complete. Are you getting bored?
No.
Okay, come on.
Okay, wake up.
Yeah, this page is complete. Perfect. Now, only 4
1,
left.
2, 3.
Yeah, let's first complete this. How many flowers are these? John, count. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay, write 9 here. Do you know how to write a 9?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's great.
Okay, wake up.
Great. Okay, batteries. Count those batteries. How many batteries are those?
1 battery, 2 batteries.
No, not like this. One battery, 2 battery. You say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah. See? 11. Okay. Now how to write 11? You know? No? 1,
1.
then 1. 2 ones. You write 1 and then with 1 you write 1 more. And it will be 11. You got it?
Yeah.
No, make it a little bigger. Bigger.
Okay.
No, bigger this.
Okay, let's try again.
Okay. Come on. Yes, this is 11. Great. Okay, how many left? Only these 2 left. And then the whole page will be complete.
And we can show to Mama.
Yes. Now count. Let's count the candies. John, I will put my finger on the object and you will count it. Say
What?
1.
I don't like candy.
Yeah. You hate candies. I know that.
Yeah.
You are a good child and good children do not eat candies because candies are all sugar
Oh,
and sugar is bad.
I don't like a fries. I don't like cupcake, and I like berry. I like something.
Yeah, you like apple, yes.
And I like
Pear also.
pear.
And
I
pomegranate.
like berry.
Yeah, you pomegranate. You don't like pomegranates?
I will like pomegranate.
Yes. Okay, now let's count the candies. Come on. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16.
16.
Yeah, 16 candies. Now you have to write 16 here.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'll tell you. 1 and 6 is 16. Yeah, come on.
1 and 6.
Yeah, 1 and 6.
Oh, it's so bigger.
Yeah, 1, 16. Yeah,
Wait, it's still here.
yeah, but it's almost fine. You make it a little bigger. 6. See, it's correct. Yeah, the last one. Okay, come on. Let's count the pomegranates. Say
1, 2,
Hurry.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16,
no. 12, 13,
12,
13,
13, 13,
14,
14,
15.
15.
Yeah, write 15.
I don't know. I can write 15.
1 and 5 is 15. Come on.
Okay.
Are you done? Bismillah, Bismillah. 5. Yeah, that's great. With a little change here, you just. Yeah. Great, complete the whole page activity. Yeah, you go show mama.
Mama.
Wow. Michelle's so beautiful, John.
Now come back.
Okay, that's in the next book.
Who throws the book like that?
Sorry.
This is, you say sorry to the book.
Sorry, book.
Yeah, this is a bad habit, John. You are a good child and you shouldn't do that. Throwing books aside is unethical.
And throwing banana road is bad?
Yeah. Okay, Mama says it's Nino time.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think we should sleep now. Come on, let's sleep.
No, only this book here.